Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to best use Zoho Project for software development. Our first step is setting up a new project. Go to your Zoho Project dashboard and hit the New Project button. Now, it's crucial to correctly fill in your project details, from the name of your project to its description and estimated end date. The reason we do this is to give your team a clear understanding of what the project entails and its expected timeline. Next up, we're going to create tasks. You can quickly do this by clicking on Add Task. Here, you can specify the task name, assignee, start and end date. This helps us because it's an effective way to break down your project into manageable pieces, making it easier to track progress. Now that we've done that, let's move on to setting milestones. To do this, click on Milestones and then Add Milestone. Define the milestone, set a due date, and link it to relevant tasks. This is important because milestones act as checkpoints, helping you keep track of whether your project is on schedule. Our last step is to keep tabs on project analytics. Click on Reports to access statistics like hours logged, task statuses, and milestone progress. These reports give you critical insights into your team's efficiency and the project's progression. Understanding these metrics is vital for project management because it allows you to adjust your strategy if needed. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide on how to use Zoho Project for your software development needs. Remember, the key is to set clear tasks, track milestones, and regularly review your project's analytics. Thanks for tuning in, and happy project managing.